So guys, let's make a new project. Tab on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one, select the green tick. Now we are inside our main project. Select text, insert the text you want, resize and position it. Move to the second option. Here we can choose color and the style of the text. Third one for the font type. Then inside the fourth option, we can resize and add further style like make the text italic or add underline. Lastly, here we can add animation to our text. In is what makes the text come into view or in the scene. Out makes the text disappear or leave the screen. And the loop is used for looping animations such as bouncing or swinging. Now select the animation you want to use. Then move this slider to control the duration of the animation. And if you want to remove the animation, just select this icon. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.